What's up, everybody? It's me again, and today I'm bringing to you the second of two 4th of July gummies. What is it? Bomb Pops, made using liquid IV Popsicle brand Firecracker or Bomb Pops. Doesn't matter. What matters is us getting to it. So let's go. Welcome back, everybody. Today's a big one. Well, it's not big. It's just labor intensive, tedious if you will. Anyway, first up, 225 grams or 2/3 of a cup corn syrup, 125 grams applesauce, 80 grams pure cane sugar, 42 grams gelatin, 1 teaspoon cream of tartar, plus 2 pinches malic acid. For the flavor, we're going big, liquid IV. Popsicle brand Bomb Pop, or they like to call it Firecracker. We're doing not one, not 2, but 3 packets of this. And to really pull it all together, this right here. This is Bomb Pop flavoring. Smells just like the popsicle. All right, let's get to mixing. All right, first up, regular gelatin, pure cane sugar. I recycled this sugar from my sanding bin, so there might be little pieces of other gelatins in there. I'll get them out. If you haven't had this liquid IV yet, it is amazing. 1, 2, and finally 3. Let's whisk that all together. Now, I didn't show you my oil, which is just simply liquid coconut oil with 1 tablespoon lecithin granules. They're already on the stovetop. Next in, corn syrup, followed by apple plops, applesauce. Oh, plop, plop. Let's stir those all up. Now, we're going to hit it with some white food coloring to start it off. And there's a good reason for this. We're going to divide this up into sections. And I will be adding the oil to this before we divide it up. You know, a little out of order for this one, but it's for good reason. Go ahead and whisk it. Don't risk it. White food coloring is such a mess to work with. Just the tiniest of drops. It's everywhere. Once that lecithin is dissolved within the coconut oil, I'll transfer that over. All right, now that the lecithin has melted down and dissolved within the liquid coconut oil, it's time to add it. So, here we go. Just like such. Let's get that stirred up. Take a little longer this time since it's not on the heat. We will add a little more white to the white layer. Won't take much, but as you can see, it's got that off-white yellowish color to it right now. It's not very Bomb Pop, is it? Let's go ahead and add some of this. I got this off of Bull City Flavors. Oh man, smells like summertime popsicles up in here. All right, now the next step, we're going to weigh the whole batch. I accidentally rubbed off the buttons, or the pictures for the buttons. In hindsight, I should have just mixed in this bowl. I was in a hurry, always in a hurry. Have a little separation. All right, let's see what the whole batch weighs. And then we will divide it up equally, or as equal as we can get it. About 576 grams, as you can see. That means we need 192 grams in 1, 2, 3 equal portions. Close enough. The scale isn't the greatest, so I wouldn't be surprised if I'm off a bit. I'm gonna call it good. The first layer that goes in will be red, so we'll make this the red layer. It has the least amount to use anyway, just because of the way the molds are. So that's all right, works for me. All right, now we let them sit for another 5 minutes to bloom, since they've already been sitting for about 5 minutes, and then we'll put them on the heat. We're going to use cherry red for the red layer. We'll start with 5. Hit it with 3 more for a total of 8. All right. Let's do 2 more for 10. Yeah, That looks much better. All right, she's been sitting long enough, so let's get her over to the heat. This one, we're gonna hit with more white. Oops, it would help if I opened it first. About all we can use there. So, looks better. At least it does to me. I don't know if you can see it on there. Just a tinge of yellow, and that's fine. And that's to be expected. Go put her to the side. And finally, our blue layer, which is gonna be, not sky blue. I think I'm all out of sky blue. Let's see. Yep, all out of sky blue. But we can hit it with some royal blue. 5 to start. Definitely gonna want more than that. Don't make fun of my whisk. It's been through hell and back. Three more. I think that looks good. Let's let it sit, and I'll go get the gumdrop molds. See you soon. All right. So it's on the heat. And we just want to stir every minute to make sure nothing burns to the bottom. And once it hits that rolling boil, I'll add the acids, which I will show you the trick on how to do those for split pots. So stay tuned. See you soon. All right, welcome back. We are about to that rolling boil, but I want to make sure we get it all stirred up. Yeah, that's looking good. All right, so here is the trick to getting equal portions, or close to equal portions, of the acids. One of these little bad boys. You can get them at the CVS pharmacy. Just go ask for one, and you can pretty much get them for free. I'm going to add a little bit, maybe. Hold on. This one's really tough. It's kind of a pain in the butt, so. There we go. Turn up the heat. I'll continue stirring. You can see it's forming the strands, which means it's ready. We just want to get some of that water evaporated out first. So, while that's happening, I'm going to switch camera positions. For this, you're going to see me do something I don't usually recommend, and that's using a much bigger syringe. This is a lot easier for the first layer because it's the smallest layer. Just be careful because, see, like that. It likes to get all over the place. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect, but do try. I mean, we want it to be pretty, right? Now at the end, we can go ahead and go back and push some of the red down the sides. So that's no big deal. And I usually do that with the back end bamboo skewer. Also, be very careful of getting this on your skin. Molten sugar, molten gelatin, no joke. These molds are hard, so they have to be sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. All right, let me go re-up. Already dropped some in that one. All right, next up, white. All right, everyone, time to hit it with the white. Got a little heavy-handed with that one. All right. That's all for the white. All right, here we go for blue. Oop, went a little fast with that one. As you can see, we've got quite a bit of red left, which is normal due to the fact that there's so little used of the red. So I'll pop them out and I'll melt them down and make just solid gumdrops out of them. Simple. Remember, nothing's wasted. And here's how that bomb pop gummy looks when it's all said and done. And I'm telling you right now, they taste even better than they look. They're just exploding with flavor. Perfectly sweet, not overly so. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great 4th of July. Stay safe. And there you have it, bomb pop gummies. Amazingly delicious. You can smell them 3-4 feet away, and they taste even better than they smell. Tons of fun to make, a little tedious, but well worth it, especially if you're like me and you want them to be pleasing to the eye. They're sure to wow the crowds. If you're having a barbecue, spread them around, share them. Whatever you do, just enjoy. Anyway, if you need any help, hit me up. Until next time, I'm Burns. Bye.